Hi! Okay, so I regret this already, but we're going to do it anyways. I'm going to be trying on all of my activewear. And then, getting rid of stuff I don't want anymore or don't fit anymore because honestly, I have gained a bit of weight and stuff doesn't fit like it used to. There's a lot of stuff I don't wear anymore anyway, so now it's just a good time because I'm wearing activewear a lot more nowadays, like every day. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, I'm not going to be talking for every single piece because that would make this video 5 hours long. But I just wanted to talk about this one real quick. It's my only one piece. Wait, I have another one piece. It's my only one piece like this. This is so cute. Like I love it. I've only worn it out once and it wasn't even for like working out. I am a diabetic. I have an insulin pump. That's what this is. And so I was gonna take it off for this try on portion just to like be more aesthetically pleasing. But then I realized we're real on this channel. So I'm gonna leave it on and show you how I'd wear it, with each of these things. And this, it's not ideal, but I would just put it on the back most likely. It is from Shein, believe it or not. Also, I'm not gonna be wearing like tennis shoes or anything. I'm gonna be wearing my little slippers here, which I'm obsessed with. Look at them! I got these off of Temu, but you can also get them on Amazon if you don't trust Temu or whatever, but they're so cute and comfy. I will link them below as well. Let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about this one just a little bit, real quick. This is a workout dress, kind of like tennis vibes, This is the TikTok famous viral dress from Halara, and I just got it, and I really like it. You can like go to the bathroom because you can just, without having to take the whole thing off, which is amazing. But yeah, that's what this is, and I think it's really cute. Yeah, so I really like this one. Keeping it. Okay, so that's all for the sets. Next, we're going to move on to bottoms, which this is going to be the longest category because I have a ton of leggings. But we're going to start with shorts, and then we'll move on to the leggings. Okay, I'm trying everything on right now with just this super basic black sports bra, but these are shorts that I literally just got. I haven't even worn them out yet. I don't love them. They're from the brand Halara. So comfortable. They have spandex on the inside with an outer layer. Really smooth, stretchy. They feel great. I don't think they look good on my body. I am gonna keep them, but it might just be for like around the house. I just don't think they're that flattering on me. You tell me, but my legs need all the help they can get, and this is just not helping them. Okay, these shorts are the same exact ones as the black ones I just had on. They're just in a different color, but I loved them so much. I have more than one pair and I want to get more. They're so like buttery smooth and stretchy, just comfortable. As someone with bigger thighs, it can be hard to find shorts that don't like cut into you too much. These don't at all, so they're just amazing. And if you're someone who wants the booty to look good, as I'm sure we all do, but you don't like the booty scrunch because it's just like too much, this is a good alternative. Woo! It has a V shape with the seams, so it still gives like a flattering contour. It's a good option, not too plain or basic. I really like these. Okay, I also wanted to speak about these ones. These are actually from Temu, which is crazy. I love them. They are so comfortable, so extremely stretchy. They also are good about not cutting into the thigh. They have like different textures on them, which I think is fun. And the back is the booty scrunch. I really like this one because it's not like a super invasive booty scrunch, but it is still there and flattering. They were so cheap. Definitely keep them. That was it for the shorts. Now we're gonna get into the leggings. I've got a lot on these fun hangers here and color coordinated, obviously. And I really like storing them like this. I think it's aesthetically pleasing and you can just see them all at once rather than folding them or something. I'll have these linked below too. I got these off of Amazon, but let's get into it. Okay, one thing I will say about these leggings, they're from Shein. If you want guaranteed good, go with the glow mode. Like, they're a little pricier for Shein. For activewear in general, they're great because they are more like Lululemon dupes, and they're like buttery soft and just, you're almost guaranteed something good in comparison to where if you buy other stuff, it's kind of like, but definitely shop the Shein glow mode. I am actually obsessed with these. I have this same pair of leggings in, I think, 4 colors. But they're these Amazon flare leggings, and they are just so freaking cute. Like, they're crisscross up top, which is super flattering. Also extremely high-waisted. I mean, look how high it goes in the back. Flattering seams, so freaking comfortable, and honestly, like, so stretchy. They like cinch you in, and just, I love these so much. I mean, they're just so freaking cute. Amazon flare leggings number 2. I love this color. It's just like a muted green kind of color. I actually wore these out around like high schoolers and junior high and stuff like that, and I actually got a few compliments on them, which that's a big deal when the youngins compliment you. I am just obsessed. Okay, Amazon flare leggings, pair number 3. I love. How I told you I'm obsessed with these flare leggings. Like, I'm obsessed. And they have a million other colors, and I want them all. Okay, so I'm finally done with the leggings. Oh my gosh, I'm like sweating from this. This is a workout. Just try on all your activewear. That's its own workout, okay? Now we're moving into the tops category. And we're gonna start with sports bras. Okay, I do want to say something about this top. This is from the brand Halara as well, which is the same brand that makes that dress. And this top is like the same top as the top to that dress, if that makes sense. I'm obsessed with this. This is the first orange thing I own, and I actually love it. The star of the show is the back. It has the same back as the dress, and I'm obsessed. It is so cute and so comfy, and I love it to death. Definitely a keeper. Okay, so this top I love. It's from Shein's Glow Mode line. So cute, so comfy. They're smooth, soft, amazing. But I washed it with a new pair of jeans and they got ruined in the wash, which is so annoying. If it wasn't for the fact that it was stained, I'd keep it. So I think I want to get this again and in another color because I truly do love it. Like, it's so good. I have I think it was like 3 leggings and 3 sports bras from this brand Whiskey. And for you girls out there who are a part of the itty bitty titty committee like myself, I'm a B cup. You wouldn't guess it in this top, okay? All of their tops in general push you up and give you the chest of your dreams. I mean, it's insane. I don't have cleavage, but these give it to me. So if that's something you want, this brand is for you. Also, look at the back. Oh my gosh, it's the cutest thing I think I've ever seen. Yeah, this is a definite keeper. Okay, that's all the sports bras, thank God. So now we're going just into tops. We're almost done. Oh my gosh. Okay, finally. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you enjoy this type of video, and I will keep them coming as I need to go through my closet through the seasons. If you want to see more in-depth reviews of activewear, I have plenty of them on my channel, and I will link the playlist on the screen for you now. Thank you again so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.